There are a lot of companies where they do these morning meetings. Yeah. But still, I have seen in many other companies where they don't do morning meetings, or there is no group interaction between the supervisors and the operators. Some companies they think that these morning meetings are not very helpful. It wastes a lot of time, etc. So they don't practice these morning meetings. So in this particular video, I am going to list out 5 important benefits of conducting a morning meeting. Hi there, welcome to Lean Manufacturing Lessons for people who hate reading with me, Anand. And let's get started with these morning meetings. Yeah, what is a morning meeting? Morning meetings are, some people call it as sunshine meetings or daily meetings. Yeah, so these meetings happen at the starting of the shift, the start of the shift. So if you are working only in general shift, it will be a daily meeting. If you are running in 3 shifts or 2 shifts, it will be at the start of the new shift. This particular meeting is between the incharges, the supervisors of the shop floor and the operators. When I say morning meetings, I am not referring the meeting between the staff members, the managers or assistant managers. No, I am talking about the meeting between the line incharges or the engineers in the shop floor and the operators. So this is what I call it as a morning meeting in this particular video. What are the benefits of conducting this particular morning meeting? The first one is the supervisors or the line incharges would be able to delegate or inform all the activities to the operators. So the operators will be very clear on what is that they need to do today for this particular shift. At the end of the meeting, they will be very clear on what the day's requirement is. So there is a clear communication between the incharges and the operators. That is the first benefit. The second benefit of morning meeting is there is a space for people to come out with their opinions or suggestions. And the supervisor or the incharge, they are sharing the requirement for the day. Now at the end, there is a place where the operator can also come back, or say their feedback, whether it is possible, not possible. I'm going to take a second half leave. This particular machine has some problem. All those things they want to give their suggestion. There is a place or there is a space for people to give their suggestion also. This is the second important benefit of morning meeting. The third important benefit of this morning meeting is once the meeting is over, the operators are very clear on their day's requirement and they start focusing on their work. They don't have to wait for the supervisors or the incharges to give the next information or next update on what they should do, because all the information is shared in the morning itself. So the people will be very clear on their day's requirement. They don't have to wait for any critical information. The fourth benefit of morning meeting is the incharges would get a lot of time. Yeah, a lot of time in focusing on improvement activities. If this morning meeting doesn't happen, all the critical information is with the supervisors or the line incharges only, and they will be constantly disturbed in the shop floor, because people will call them for next information. Yeah, but once the information is given to the people, they will be on their own, and the supervisor or the incharge now can focus on a lot of other improvement activities, quality improvement, productivity improvement. All those the important activities can be done by the incharges. Otherwise, the supervisor or the incharges will feel that they are only firefighting. So the morning meeting will help you in reducing the firefighting also. The fifth and the most important benefit is the operators will start taking responsibility for their work. So it creates a positive culture. It creates a culture of ownership. So the morning meetings will help in creating a positive culture in the company. So these are the 5 benefits of morning meetings. So now, how will you conduct a morning meeting? This is just a 5-minute meeting. The first 1 minute you will spend for taking attendance. So that let us say I am the in charge of that particular section. I call all my people at 9 o'clock in the morning. Let us say this is the starting of the shift. Yeah, 9 o'clock. So I call all the people at 9 o'clock. So I will note down who are the people available today, not available today. I take the attendance. That is for 1 minute. The next 2 minutes, I will discuss about today's plan. For every employee, okay, this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do, like that. This can also be informed through a whiteboard. But in the next 2 minutes, I will share all the information regarding the today's requirement. And in the next 1 minute, that is the 4th minute, I will discuss about the last shift or yesterday's plan versus actual. What are the quality issues we faced? What are the other difficulties we faced, etc. And the last minute, I give the time for the operators to come back on this particular discussion. Anything they want to share, any difficulties, machine maintenance, anything related to the today's plan, they can share. So this is the 5-minute meeting plan, which we generally suggest to many of our clients, and many people have found this to be very, very useful across various industries. One thing to note is don't make this meeting a half an hour meeting or 1 hour meeting. There may be situations where people will try to hijack this discussion in a different direction. They will talk about a lot of other things. Don't extend this meeting. Try to complete the meeting within 5 minutes, and anything which you want to discuss with a particular person, you can discuss it offline. Don't make all the other people wait. Keep it very clear and concise. 5 minutes, that's it. Practice this 5-minute meeting in your company and share your experiences. If you like this particular video, please subscribe to our channel. We share a lot of stuff related to lean and productivity improvement. You can also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you will get a notification. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you and happy Diwali to all of you. Bye.